God will make beauty from your brokenness. Isaiah 61:3. Listen. I know you're hurting. I know you've been carrying pain nobody sees. But I came to tell you something straight from God's heart. Your brokenness is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of His beauty. Don't give up. God is about to transform what tried to destroy you. Everybody has a moment where life breaks them. A betrayal, a loss, a mistake, a heartbreak, something that shatters your soul. And you wonder, can anything good come out of this? God says yes, because He specializes in taking the pieces of your life and turning them into something beautiful. God never wastes your tears. He never ignores your wounds. And He never abandons you in your lowest moment. Isaiah 61:3 says He gives beauty for ashes, the oil of joy for mourning, the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. That means your brokenness is not a prison. It is a place where God begins His work. The world sees ashes, but God sees a canvas. The world sees failure, but God sees a future. Let me tell you something. Some of the most beautiful things in the world are made from brokenness. A diamond. It's a piece of coal, crushed under pressure. Gold. It's refined through fire. Oil. It comes from olives that are pressed. Wine. It comes from grapes that are crushed. And you, the pressure you survived, the pain you endured, the heartbreak you thought would kill you. God is using all of it to make you stronger, wiser, softer, and more powerful than you have ever been. Your brokenness is not the end, it's preparation. What broke you, God will use to bless you. What hurt you, God will use to heal others through you. Hear me, God is restoring your joy. God is rebuilding your peace. God is repairing your confidence. You may not feel it, but He is working in the deep places, the places nobody sees. You won't stay broken. God is shaping you. God is strengthening you. God is transforming you from the inside out. The pain that once made you cry will soon be the testimony that makes you shine. Your story is not over. Your heart will love again. Your peace will return. God is making beauty from your brokenness. Just watch what He does next. If this message touched your heart today, type "God is healing me" in the comments. Share this video with someone silently fighting battles alone. They need this reminder too. And follow for more daily encouragement, because I am here to remind you, God is not done with you yet.